Okay, so basically I bought this from Shopee, Automax. I think it's Causeway, I can't remember. Yeah, Causeway. It's a very tiny bottles of headlamp polish. So I did it on my Mazda. You see, this is before. This is yellowish. If you can see clearly. So the headlamp is already yellowish, oxidized, and you can't really see it clearly. So basically, I use this. I think I use it for another side over here. I can see the difference immediately. So this is after a quick polish that I did just now under the hot sun actually. But obviously you can see that there is the difference after using this one. Maybe I need to use it for one more or two more, but I think you can see a difference over here. So let's just see the difference. Yep, can you see a difference over here? Yes, you can see clearly. This side we use it with this Automax headlamp polish. Another side we have not do it, but obviously you can see you can remove the oxidize. It's much sharper now compared to this. So actually it's very easy to use. I just use a normal cloth, put some of this thing and do a circular polish into the headlamp. That's it. And I think I just only do it for 5 minutes, and you immediately can see the oxidized things has been removed. I think this is about, can't remember how much, it's about ringgit Malaysian 9 ringgit. I think plus the delivery about 10 ringgit. It's worth it to try. It's just but it's very small bottles. It's only about what, I can't remember how big, 100 ml. It's extremely small, but I think it's sufficient. I just use a bit. Yep, happy trying. Thank you. Okay, so yes, that day itself I have used this Automax headlamp polish to polish one of my headlamps, my Mazda 6 headlamp. So basically this is the polished versions. This is the one that have already been polished. Okay, so today I will show you how do I polish the another side where I have not been polished. Let me show you here. So you can see over here, actually this one has been oxidized. You can see very clearly. There's a blurrish there. It's all yellowish. You can't really see clearly the light. Can you see it? Yes, you see? This all has been oxidized and have not been polished. So I'll show you how do I polish it and remove all the yellowish oxidized things to make it bright again. Yep. Can you see clearly? Yeah. This is all the yellowish. This is all the oxidized one. Where over here where I already polished, you can't see it. Yep, it's all clear, isn't it? It's all clear. This has been polished with this Automax. I think I bought it from Causeway, yes. Yeah, from Causeway in Malaysia. It's about 9 ringgit, Malaysia ringgit. It's very cheap, 100 ml. Okay. Basically, you just need two things. One is the Automax headlamp polish. Another one is just a dry, clean cloth. And you just apply some of it on top of it, and then start to polish in a circular motions. Let me show you. Okay, just need to continue polish it until clear. Continue polish. See? So you clear. Just need to polish on this. Just polish the excess one. Don't worry, it will come up. Just need to be patient. You see how shiny? The oxidized one all removed. You see how clear now compared to just now. You see, all the oxidized one has been removed. The yellowish one all has been removed already. Happy trying.